Hey, I'm Ryan with Warner Discovers, and today we're going to unbox the Oculus Quest 2. Ended up pre-ordering this through Amazon. I just got it in like 2 minutes ago, and we're going to take a look at what comes in the box. So first we just got the outline of what the product is in the front. On the back we have some example games here: Jurassic Park, Beat Saber, Population 1, The Climb 2, Star Wars, and Horizon. They talk about how it's next level hardware, easy setup, backwards compatible. You do need a Facebook account to utilize the Oculus Quest. They do say that you can just make another account just to utilize the login if you don't have a Facebook account. Oh yeah, I don't even need the knife. Nice pull. What else comes in the box? I guess it's the VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AAA batteries, power adapter, glasses, spacer, and charging cable. So we got the main box out, got the Oculus logo on top. So you open it up into this nice white demonstration of the device. So you have the right controller here. Very, very easy buttons to press. I don't think I've ever felt anything so easy to press, like the back of a Xbox controller. So you got your B and your A buttons on the right hand side and X and Y on the other side, the menu button and an Oculus button, as well as 2 joysticks on the inside. Then we have a box here, which has a nice USB-C power adapter, unlike the iPhone 12. A USB-C to USB-C cable as well. And then you just have reference guide in here, safety and warranty guide, things like that. I'm honestly surprised that they don't give you one of their stickers as something like this. Basically telling you how to quick start, lens adjustment, head adjustment, how to turn it on, how to charge the controllers, and a QR code for more information. And then finally we have the actual Oculus mask. So the glasses spacer. So I guess this helps with if you wear prescription glasses. So here we have the headset with basically some more instructions on moving the lenses and how to do so. Move the lenses left or right to find the clearest view. And there's a few stickers inside that basically says no sunlight on the lenses and no liquid cleaners. I've actually heard that before I got this, that if you do get sunlight on these, it can magnify the intensity of the sun and perhaps your headset. And there it is. So, hope this helped with demonstrating what came in the box. Can't wait to check this out. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.